Hi, I'm Dr. Joanette. Today we are making fresh berry chia overnight pudding. It's vegan, healthy, and delicious. It makes a great breakfast on the go. Make sure you watch though all the way to the end so you don't miss my SIS, Simple is Smart tip, as well as my Nutrition nugget about why chia is so good for your brain. Let's get cooking. We're going to start by making the pudding. You're going to put 2 cups of your favorite non-dairy milk in a blender, almond milk, coconut milk, oat milk, whatever your favorite is. 4 tablespoons of a sweetener. It could be simple syrup, which is what I used here, golden syrup, maple syrup, whatever your favorite sweetener is. A little flavoring like vanilla. Blend that all together on medium. Once it's well blended, stir in your chia seeds, and then you're going to pour that into 2 10-ounce mason jars. For today's Nutrition nugget, we are going to be talking about chia seeds. Chia seeds are a great source of antioxidants. Remember, antioxidants are those substances in our brain and body that help protect us against oxidative stress. Oxidative stress are free oxygen radicals that can damage our tissue, damage our cells, and specifically are toxic to our brain cells, resulting in, again, cognitive decline, memory problems, and overall decrease in our brain function. And lastly, chia seeds is great for our body. It's good for our gut because it's high in fiber. Our gut biome is important to the brain in our gut. Did you know that our gut does have a brain, and that brain in our gut produces important neurotransmitters like serotonin, which help us relax, elevate our mood, and help us sleep better at night as you ease into your day with a jar full of chia overnight pudding. Put a lid on it. Put it in your refrigerator overnight, and in the morning you've got a nice creamy thick consistency for your chia seed overnight pudding. Top it with a few pieces of fresh fruit, maybe a handful of nuts, almonds, cashews, even macadamia nuts are delicious. For this recipe, Simple is Smart tip about chia overnight pudding. Chia overnight pudding is typically made with fresh fruit. However, you can also make it with frozen fruit. Frozen fruit has a number of advantages, including the fact that there's less waste. As your fruit gets ripe, you can cut it into pieces, put it in the freezer, and then you will have plenty of fresh fruit for when you want to make chia overnight pudding. In addition to that, you can also buy frozen fruit in bulk so that you can put a mixture of it together and have it ready to go for a refreshing, delicious, healthy take and go breakfast the next morning. Thank you for watching. Please click that like button and subscribe. For this recipe, as well as other great recipes, go to my website at growwithdrjoanette.com. You will also find lots of Simple is Smart tips as well as nutrition nuggets there on the website with the recipes.